In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Notion. We will do this by creating app connections in Zapier, so the two tools are ready to work together in automations. Start by opening your Airtable base in the browser. This helps you confirm you are using the correct workspace and base before you connect anything. Leave that tab available, because you may want to reference the base name during authorization. Now switch over to Zapier. From your Zapier dashboard, go to App Connections. This is the area where Zapier stores and manages the accounts you link, like Airtable and Notion. Click Add Connection, then click into the search field and type to find Airtable. Select Airtable from the results, and then choose Add Connection again to begin the sign-in and permission flow. When Airtable prompts you to authorize access, you will see options to choose what Zapier can access. Click Add All Resources if you want Zapier to be able to work with everything in your Airtable account. If you prefer a more controlled setup, click Add a base instead, then select the specific base you want, such as the one you opened earlier. After you have made your selection, click Grant Access. Once you return to Zapier, you should see confirmation that a new connection to Airtable has been added. Next, you will connect Notion. Still in the Connections area, click Add Connection again. Click the search field, find Notion, select it, and then click Add Connection to continue. You will be taken to Notion to approve permissions. Click Select Pages to choose what Zapier can access. In the page selector, you can switch to Team Spaces, and you can also use Select All if you want Zapier to have access across all available pages there. You may also see a private section, which is useful if the pages you need are private to your account. Once you have selected the right pages, click Allow Access to finish linking Notion to Zapier. Back in Zapier, click Create, then go to Zaps. In the search field, type what you want to build, and then click Start Building. At this point, Airtable and Notion are connected, and you are ready to set up the automation using those connections. And that is all there is to it.